Things are starting to become fairly exciting as the new iPhone is less than a month away. A reliable source claims that Apple would increase the cost of its upcoming iPhones by $50 this year. Therefore, don't anticipate a significant price variation, but it may still vary somewhat based on taxes and your local currency. This implies that rather than $1,199, the base model iPhone 17 Pro Max will cost you about $1,249. However, the Pro models will undergo significant upgrades for this pricing. First up, after all these years, the design will finally change. With the release of the iPhone 11 in 2019, the last design modification was made. We have a flat camera bump this time. And this has a function in addition to being aesthetically pleasing. There will be 3 48-megapixel cameras on the rear. According to rumors, the new 48-megapixel telephoto camera will have a changeable periscope zoom lens. With a variable periscope zoom lens, the phone can now zoom in with incredible quality, similar to a mirrorless camera system. The sources state that it will be an optical zoom with an 8-fold magnification. The iPhone 16 Pro Max can only provide 5x optical zoom at this time. Additionally, it appears like Apple is developing a specific app for professional cameras. Numerous tools and settings, such as focus and white balance management, will be available in this Pro camera app. The aluminum unibody design of the iPhone 17 is the final rumor that is gaining increasing traction. Bid farewell to the titanium framework. We will now obtain the aluminum unibody design. View this updated graphic to see the antennas that have been moved. This verifies a glass back and an aluminum body. Additionally, wireless charging will be facilitated by its glass back. This year, wireless charging will also be upgraded. This iPhone will be fast charged with the new MagSafe charging, which will deliver about 35 to 40 watts. Although the precise wattage is still unknown, this year will undoubtedly see a boost. The new A19 Pro chipset will be the next in line. The iPhone 17 Pro versions will be powered by this processor, which will provide users with efficient and remarkable performance. The iPhone 17 Pro variants will also get 12 GB of RAM this year. This year, Apple will finally improve the RAM because of Apple Intelligence, which needs more memory. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.